Hi students, welcome back to my online channel. My name is Vishwanath. Today's chapter is loci, in that the construction of locus. This chapter is completely construction oriented chapter. Before going to a few more example problems, let us have a glance on those four important conditions that we often follow in this chapter. The first one is, so remember what you studied from the last class under loci chapter. The first condition is equidistant from A. This is the first condition, equidistant from A. Not only A, it can be B, C, D, anything but single alphabet, that is uppercase. Equidistant from A or B or C, like any one term, there is a one letter is given. This is considered as fixed point. Fixed point. Remember, equidistant from A is given or X is given or Z is given. From those 26 alphabet, any one letter is given, it is taken as fixed point. So for fixed point, always we follow the circle. Remember, first in the question, what is given, first fix it. The given is a fixed point, The given is a fixed point, then the required locus is a circle. Remember, the second condition, equidistant from AB. So next one, second condition is equidistant from AB. Look at this AB. AB is what? First fix what is AB. Before A was a fixed point. Now AB is what? AB is a fixed line or side. So a fixed line. Before was first condition A. A is a fixed point. So for a fixed point, the required locus is a circle. Next, second condition as AB. AB, two letters given together, it is considered as a line. AB is a line. So for the line, the required locus is parallel. Parallels. Two parallels you have to draw above the fixed line and below the fixed line. Two parallels. Okay, two parallels. First one is a fixed point, circle. Second one is a fixed line, parallels. We go to the third condition. The third condition is equidistant from A and B. So I am using only A, B, and B. It can be any letter, students. Third condition is equidistant from A and B. First go to what is given. Look at A and B. First A. What is A? A is a point, fixed point. And B. B is another point. Then it is point and point. That means 2 points. Two fixed points. Look at A is a point. We know that A is a fixed point. AB is a line. Now A is a fixed point and is given a symbol. Therefore A and B are separated. B is a fixed point. So A and B means point and point. That is 2 points. For 2 points, the required locus is perpendicular bisector. Perpendicular bisector. That is, we are taking more than half and we bisect the fixed line. We have to take more than half of A and B. A and B between more than half you take and you construct a perpendicular bisector. This is the third condition. The fourth one is equidistant from AB and AC. Now equidistant from AB and AC. First we'll go. What is AB? AB is a line. AC. AC is what? AC is another line. Now line and line. That means two lines. Two fixed lines. Equidistant from AB and AC. AB is a line. AC is a line. Two lines. But at the same time, these two lines are intersecting. Where they are intersecting? A. Look at, from both the line, A is common. From AB and AC, A is common. So what type of locus we have to bisect? We have to draw A angle bisector. So for this, the required locus is angle bisector. This is not perpendicular bisector. Perpendicular bisector for 2 points, for two lines, two intersecting lines. Here the two lines are intersecting. Two intersecting lines. For two intersecting line, angle bisector. Here which angle bisector? In AB and AC, A is common, no? So A angle bisector. So these four are very important. I repeat once again. Single point is given, draw a circle around single point. Single line is given, draw two parallels above the line and below the line. I will show you in problems how to draw parallels. Equidistant from A and B, when 2 points are given, understand, A and B together given like this, that is the line. Separately given 2 points. 2 points are given, perpendicular bisector. Those 2 points between more than half you take and bisect. When 2 lines are given, AB is a line, AC is a line. These 2 lines are intersecting lines. When 2 intersecting lines are given, these 2 are intersecting at what point? AB and AC intersecting at A. By this A common tells us A is the intersecting point. So what we have to do? Angle bisector. Which angle bisector? Here A is common, A angle bisector. If B is common, B angle bisector, like that. Using these 4 conditions, we go to a few problems of today's class. Example, draw a triangle ABC with angle A equal to 75 degree, BC equal to 6.5 centimeter, AC equal to 5.5 centimeter, full stop. Find a point P such that P is at a distance of 2 centimeter from AB and 1.5 centimeter from BC. So these 2 are the condition. There are 2 usually they ask 2 condition in loci chapter. Find a point PP. How to find out? Such that P is at a distance of 2 centimeter from AB. This is the very important, this line. So in condition already I told you, first focus on single point given or single line given, 2 points are given or 2 lines are given. That is the very important point to be noted here. 2 centimeter from AB, no? Here understand what is AB. AB is a line. That means single line is given. 2 centimeter from AB. AB is a single line. You know that like single line is given, what we have to do? Parallels. That is single line. Next, 1.5 centimeter from BC. This is another condition. 1.5 centimeter from BC. Again focus on BC. What is BC? BC is also a single line. Therefore for this also parallel. For AB also parallel, for BC also parallel. There are 2 pairs of parallel we have to draw. There you have to mainly focus on. AB, 2 centimeter from AB, that is one parallel. 1.5 centimeter from BC, the other parallel. So let us go to construction. Use scale, pencil and compasses. Don't use pen. I use pen only here, just for the good visibility on the online class. First mark ABC, angle A. So I better mark angle A here, because angle A is given. Which angle is given? That angle, make it in the base. ABC, angle A is 75 degree, and then ABAC. So okay, I change here. This one is AB. AB 5.5, AB 5.5, BC 6.5. That's it. Using these 3, we'll construct. So first AB 6.5, AB 6.5 construct. Sorry, 5.5, AB 5.5. Yes, AB 5.5 is done. The next one is angle A 75 degree. We need angle A 75 degree. Remember, angle A 75 degree. Go to angle A here, where you need angle. There first, approximate measurement 1 arc. Construct 1 arc. That should be approximate measurement. So this is the major arc. We need 75 degree. No, 75 degree is what? 75 degree is between 90 and sorry, between 60 and 90 degree. So 75 degree comes between 60 and 90. 75 degree comes between 60 and 90. So to get 75 degree we need to construct 90 and 60. If you get 90 and 60, then you get 75 degree. Directly 75 degree you don't get. So therefore first get 60, then 90, then we'll go to 75. How to construct 60? This is the 60 construction method. This is 60 first arc. Second arc is 120. So 60 and 120 between, again if you cut above and above two arc, this is called as 90 degree arc. So first from here the first arc is 60, second arc is 120. This 60 and 120, this 60 and 120 degree between which angle comes 90 degree. So if you want to get any angle between, that is the simple thing. If you want 90 is between which two angle, you first fix it. 60 and 120 between 90 comes. Now, so from 60 above one arc, from 120 above one arc. So from 60 and 120, if you cut two arcs, that arc is considered as 90. Remember. Then from 60 and 90, if you cut two arcs, that is considered as 75. So from which two angle you are cutting the arcs? So 60 and 120. If you are using 60 and 120 degree as two arcs here, then the required angle we got is 90 degree. This is 90 degree arc. This is 90 degree arc, not 90 degree. So from A and this 90 degree arc will join. When we join, what point we get? This is taken as 90 degree. Remember, this is not 90 degree. This is 90 degree arc. That's it. But 90 degree is here. Look at, this is 0 degree. We start from here now, 0 degree. This is 60 degree. This is 90 degree and 120 degree. All the angles are obtaining on this main arc. Remember, don't take any angle above this arc. This is the main arc. On that main arc only all the angles should be there. 0, 60, 90, 120. To get 90, 60 and 120 degree above, we cut arcs. But after joining, this is not 90 degree. Again I tell you, this is not 90 degree. This is 90 degree arcs. That's it. But 90 degree will get it. Here. This is 90. Next is, we need 75 degree now. Because in the question 75 degree, how to get 75 degree? 75 degree is 60 and 90 between, correct? No, 60 above, 90 below. So to get 75 degree, 75 is between 60 and 90. No, then our arc should be 60 and 90 degree. This is 60 degree. This is 60 degree. No, this is 60 degree. From 60 degree one arc, and from 90 degree, this is 90 degree. No, this one is 90 degree. This is 60 and 90. To get 75, we have to use 60 and 90. No, from 60 one arc and from 90 other one arc I do here. Then we get two arcs joining, right? This is not 75 degree. Again I tell you, this is 75 degree arcs. That's it. When we join to A like this, this become 75 degree. This is 75 degree. This angle is taken as 75 degree. Then extend this line. Then extend this line. Because the required was 75, no? So the required 75, make it in dark. Before 90 degree was not required. To get 75, 60 and 90 degree were required. 60 was ready, but 90 was not there. Therefore, what we did, 90 and 120 we constructed. Sorry, 60 and 120 first we constructed. 60 and 120 degree between 90 we got it first. After getting 90, then again 60 and 90 these two used. First 60 and 120 used and got 90 degree. After 90 and 60 between, we made two arcs, then we got 75 degree. Now look at 0, 60, 75, 90, 120. The required was 75 now, so that you make it in dark. 90 degree, just hit it in dotted line. Next measurement is BC. BC 6.5. Take on ruler 6.5. Take 6.5. BC they told, BC, B to C. So keep it at B and C somewhere here. And cut like this, and we got the meeting of that point, join there. This is the C. So now we obtained ABC triangle. Now let us go for satisfying the condition. After constructing the triangle, next is condition satisfying. First condition, what is AB? AB is what? A line. First fix it. What is given? A point is given, a line is given, 2 points are given, or 2 lines are given. Now the given is what? A line. For what? A line. For a line what should do? For a line what should do? Parallels. So we'll construct parallel. For which line parallels? AB line. How much? 2 centimeter parallel. Parallel how much? 2 centimeter parallel for AB. Its meaning is for AB 2 centimeter parallel. We'll take a ruler 2 centimeter measurement. Look at 2 centimeter is taken here. After taking 2 centimeter for AB, they told for AB parallel draw. So we go to AB. This is AB, no? For AB parallel, how to draw? If AB is like this, its parallel should be like this. Above one, down one. See, I show you. If AB line is like this, its parallel should be above and below like this. This is the parallel, no? For this parallel, above one, below one. So now the required parallel for AB. For AB parallel required. Now AB line is here. We have to draw parallel 2 centimeter parallel above one, below one. How to draw that parallels like this? If you want parallel for AB, no? Take B point. From B point, the 2 centimeter. What measurement we took? This 2 centimeter. That 2 centimeter keep at B. Just mark one arc like U shape. Next here also mark one more U shape like this. Even not only above, below also. Below also same. What you did, the same. Below also one U shape. From A, here also one U shape. Like this. Got it? So this compass measurement is 2 centimeter. So we need 2 centimeter parallel for AB line, no? So from B point, 2 centimeter above one arc, below one arc. From A, 2 centimeter above one arc, below one arc. Then these two arcs lower point will be there. No, lower point means when U shape will be this is taken as lower point. That two lower points you join like this. See, in dotted line. Two lower point will be there. No, those two lower point you join in this way. So I'm using here ruler to join those two lower points. See. Here two lower points I joined by dotted line. Here also two lower points joined by. See, look at now. For AB, above 1 2 centimeter parallel, below 1 2 centimeter parallel. There are two parallel lines for AB. Look at exactly what I made. That is correct. Look at this parallel line is for AB, above 1, below 1. If it's not parallel line, it will be going slant. But look at here for AB, how AB looks. This parallel line also looks similarly in the same angle. Now one parallel is over. Next let us go for second condition satisfying. 1.5 centimeter from BC. Understand? 1.5 centimeter from BC. Now what is BC? BC is also a line. So you know that just now any line is given, for the line the locus is parallel. So BC is also a line. So required is again one more parallel. I mean parallels. How much? 1.5 centimeter parallels for which line? BC line. Let us go to BC line. Where is BC line? This is BC line. So you turn that page. BC line looks bottom like this. For BC line 1.5 centimeter parallel we have to draw. See, we will take 1.5 centimeter on ruler. 1.5 centimeter is taken in compass. For BC, BC is like this, no? Its parallel should be above 1, below 1. How to draw above 1, below 1? 1.5 centimeter take on compass. For BC you need to draw, no? So therefore keep at C, above 1 U shape like this. From B, above 1 U shape, 1.5 centimeter. Similarly, turn the paper. From C again above 1, below 1. Like so, that parallels are done. Okay, from C 1.5 above, 1.5 below. From B 1.5 above, 1.5 below. Now join both the lower points. Join both the lower points in dotted. I told you already, always the locus should be in dotted line. It is a parallel or circle or perpendicular bisector or angle bisector, it should be dotted. Now look at for BC. BC is like this, horizontal. Its parallel also horizontal. Always parallel, above 1, below 1. So by this, two pairs of parallel we constructed before. For AB parallels, for AB parallel like this. Next for BC parallel like this. Then that is 2 centimeter parallel. This is 1 point. Now the first two parallel, these two. The next two parallel, these two. Where the parallels are meeting, look at. This is the meeting of horizontal and other parallel. This is also another meeting of horizontal end. These 2 points are P points. How to obtain how to locate the P points? Just by getting the meeting of 2 loci. This is the first locus, this is the second locus, both the loci meeting here. This is the second locus, this is the first locus, both the loci meeting here. Those 2 are P. If they ask to measure what is the distance between 2 points P and P, you measure what distance this 2 P to P, what distance is there. One P is inside this triangle, another P is out of the triangle. The distance between P and P, if they have asked, you measure, it is 4 centimeter. By this way, parallel locus can be done. You go to second example. In yesterday perpendicular bisector, in yesterday's class, in previous class, perpendicular bisector, angle bisector taught. In today's class, how to draw parallels also been taught. The next, the circle locus, how to draw, that is not done till now. We'll take another example in that the circle locus, how to construct, I teach you. Construct a triangle ABC with AB equal to 6 centimeter, angle B equals to 105 degree, and BC equal to 5 centimeter. Find a point 4 centimeter from A and equidistant from B and C. So this is the 2 condition. So look at first condition is a point 4 centimeter from A. Look at this is the point to be noted. Look at from A. They have used a single letter. When single letter is used, you know that A is a point. A is a point. No, AB is a line. A is a point. A point is given. What you have to do? Circle. What is the second condition? Equidistant from B and C. Look at B and C. What is B and C? B and C means 2 points. For 2 points, what we have to do? Perpendicular bisector. That means to complete this problem, first triangle construction, next a circle locus and the perpendicular bisector locus, then problem finishes. First construct the triangle, next go to what are the 2 conditions given. First condition is from A. They have left just A. A means a point. When point is given, you know that when point is given, circle. When 2 points are given, perpendicular bisector. A line is given, parallels. When 2 lines are given, angle bisector. Like that 4 conditions are there. A is a point, so circle. Next condition is from B and C. B and C means B is a point, C is a point. Both are separated by and symbol. So B and C means 2 points. When 2 points are given, perpendicular bisector. So we'll complete this. First by the rough diagram. The diagram ABC. B angle is 105 degree, BC is 5 and AB is 6. First go to AB 6 centimeter. AB is 6 centimeter they told. AB 6 centimeter is drawn. AB is 6 centimeter, that is finished. Next, angle B 105 degree. First fix 105 degree, how to draw in compass. 105 degree to get, what we have to do? 90 degree and 120 degree we have to construct, because 105 degree comes between 90 and 120. Remember, correct? No, 90 and 120 degree. But 90 degree how to construct it? 90 degrees comes between 120 and 60. So with this idea we finish. Go to B. At B we required 105 degree. No, so go to B. First one main arc. This is called as main arc. After that main arc, next is first. From first arc is called as 60 degree. The second arc is called as 120 degree. Okay. This is the first main arc. At B I am constructing at B. At B we are constructing. This is the main arc from B. First arc is 60 degree. Second arc is 120 degree. Next 60 degree, 120 degree both are over. Next we will get 90 degree. 90 degree how to get? 60 and 120 degree between is 90. No, so we take compass from 120 degree above one arc, from 60 degree above one arc. This meeting point is taken as 90 degree arc. But 90 degree arc, this one, how to get 90 degree angle? To get 90 degree angle, this is the 90 degree angle. This is not 90 degree. Again tell you, this is not 90 degree. From 61 arc, from 120 one more arc, these two meeting arcs join to B, then this become 120. This is 0, 60, 90, 120. Got it? Now 60 got, 90 got and 120 degree. All the three over. Now we will go to 105 degree. How to get 105 degree? 105 degrees between 90 and 120. So to get 105 degree, 90 and 120 degree both where we have to keep the compasses. See, from 120 degree one arc, from 90 degree one more arc. From 90 and 120 degree cut two arcs. So when we take 90 and 120 degree two arcs, that means we are getting 105 degree. So we join in dark line because required is 105 degree. Now 105 degrees over. Next is BC 5 centimeter. Take a ruler 5 centimeter. That 5 centimeter BC cut like this. Now we got C point. This is C point. Join to A. Then the triangle ABC is over. Triangle ABC is over. Now we go to 4 centimeter from A. We know that A is a point. For a point, the required is always a circle. So from a circle we have to construct. Now how much? 4 centimeter circle. 4 centimeter from A means 4 centimeter circle. We'll take 4 centimeter in compass. And from A they told, no, from A go to A. From A given means go to A. From B, B. From A we construct 4 centimeter circle like this. This is 4 centimeter circle. The 4 centimeter circle is constructed from A. From A 4 centimeter circle. Because A is a point, for a point always the locus is circle. 4 centimeter circle around A. If it is given as from B, that means from B 4 centimeter circle. If it is from C, C is 4 centimeter. Next is which condition? B and C. B and C means 2 points. When 2 points are given, perpendicular bisector. Where we have to draw a perpendicular bisector? B and C between. So B and C, where B and C? B and C turn towards you and you go to B and C between. How to draw perpendicular bisector? B and C between, I have to go between like this. How to do? From B and C. B and C between, take more than half. B and C between, take more than half. Above one arc, below one arc. B and C between, because it is given in the question B and C, no. So when B and C between is given, construct perpendicular locus between B and C. C over. So by this we got two arcs. These two cutting arcs will join like this. See, this is the perpendicular bisector. This is perpendicular bisector for B and C. This is circle locus from A. From A it is a circle. From B and C means perpendicular bisector. That's it. By this we obtain the diagram. First a triangle, then first locus is a circle because of a point. 2 points are given, perpendicular bisector. So similar problem I give you. You try at home. Homework problems. Construct a triangle ABC in which BC equal to 6.5 centimeter, angle B equal to 60 degree, AB equal to 5 centimeter. First sub question, construct the locus of points at a distance of 3.5 centimeter from A. Look at, construct the locus of all points at a distance of 3.5 centimeter from A. Look at here. The end of the line gives you complete answer in locus. Always remember, in locus the end point is very important. They left the question from A. A means a single point. A single point is given. It is a fixed point. For fixed point, the locus is circle. Remember those 4 conditions. Memorize. Next is construct the locus of points equidistant from AC and BC. The next condition is what? Construct the locus of all points equidistant from AC and BC. This is important. AC and BC. AC is a line, BC is a line. So line and line, these two are two lines. When two lines are given, what should do? When two lines are given, angle bisector. Remember, 1 point circle, 2 points perpendicular bisector, 1 line parallel. For 1 line parallels, 2 lines angle bisector. So angle bisect. Now 2 lines are given, angle bisect. Which angle should bisect? AC, BC. C is the repetition letter, no? So C angle you have to bisect. For this single point, you need to draw 3.5 centimeter circle. When two lines are given, you have to bisect angle. Here C angle you have to bisect. This is the homework problem for you. The one more homework problem I give you. One more. Now this first homework problem was 2016 board paper question. It is 2016 board paper question. First question is, so the next homework problem, construct triangle ABC with AB equal to 7 centimeter, angle A equal to 60 degree and AC equal to 5 centimeter. First condition, equidistance from AB and AC. Second one, equidistant from BA and BC. This is the second question. See, hope you got today's class. You try these 2 problems at home and send to me. Thank you.